Hi all, welcome back to Extreme Level. Today we have bought 10 interesting facts for you. Fact number 1. 5000 years old Varanasi is one of the oldest inhabited places in the world. It is situated on the banks of river Ganga and represented in the parliament by the country's PM Narendra Modi. The holy city of Banaras or Varanasi is at least 3000 years old. According to Hindu mythology, Lord Shiva found this city 5000 years ago. Fact number 2. A meteor formed the breathtaking Lonar Lake in Maharashtra. A 4-hour drive from Aurangabad and doubling as Maharashtra's best kept secret, this lake was created by a plummeting meteor about 52,000 years ago. Travel enthusiasts must not miss this astronomical marvel and the temples around it. Fact number 3. Mysterious anti-gravity hills in Ladakh, known as Magnetic Hill. With the anti-gravitational effect, this is the only magnetic hill in India, landmarked by a yellow notice board that spells out instructions and asks you place your car on neutral gear, right on the spot marked by white paint. This one will leave you in awe as your car will begin to move uphill on its own. Fact number 4. Land of many firsts. India invented snake and ladders, shampooing, algebra and more. A plethora of objects and concepts originated in India, starting from the game of snake and ladders to chess, aka Chaturangan, buttons, shampooing, the number pi, diamond mining, zero, algebra, trigonometry, along with the find of the presence of water on the moon. Now, isn't this an interesting fact about India? Fact number 5. World's only floating post office in Dal Lake, which is located in Srinagar. India is not only known for the most significant number of post offices in the world, but it has its very own floating post office on Dal Lake in Srinagar. Perched on a houseboat, it also includes a philately museum within itself. Fact number 6. Masinram is the wettest place on earth with 11,873 millimeters of rain annually. Holding a Guinness record for highest average annual rainfall, this town in Meghalaya gets about 11,873 millimeters of rain owing to its proximity to the Bay of Bengal. These winter months of this region are spent in preparation for the 6-month-long monsoon ahead. Fact number 7. India is the only country with a Bill of Rights for cows. From the moment an Indian's born, he has two mothers. One his birth mother and two Gomata. Cows are believed to be holy in Hinduism, and the constitution has a set of rules in place that prevents the sale and slaughter of cows. Now, isn't this a fantastic fact about India? Please comment in the comment box. Fact number 8. A voting poll booth set up for just one voter in Gujarat. India's most privileged voter, Mahant Bharat Das, resides in a small hamlet called Banej in the middle of Gir Forest, Gujarat. The setting up of a particular polling booth for just one voter goes a long way in speaking decibels about the democratic spirit of the country. Shani Singapore is village where the houses don't have doors. Shani Singapore, attracting over 40,000 devotees each day due to a 300-year-old legend. This village in Maharashtra features establishments without any doors and locks. Its residents sleep soundly as they believe Lord Shani to be the guardian of the town. I wonder how they keep the rain away. Fact number 10. Tulsi Shyam. The hills that defy gravity. Imagine if your car, when left in free gear, starts rolling up a hill against the gravitational pull. Freaky, right? This strange phenomenon is indeed a reality at a road stretch near Tulsi Shyam in Amereli district, Gujarat.
If you are visiting this channel for first time, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon for our new notifications.